Your Honor, there's another one which they were requesting for information of YouTube, TikTok accounts, stock channels, namely Deep Media and River News. Your Honor, we conducted our forensic analysis on the following TikTok accounts. Using an open source tools. The tools used were EXIF tool, EXIF, the Save.net, and Microsoft Video Authenticator. Your Honor, the result was saved in a CD, which I'd like to play before this court. Your Honor, on my cyber investigation report, I conducted an analysis through the TikTok link, HTTPS, yes, HTTPS, 2 dots, 2 strokes, vm.tiktok.com stroke zm, capital ZM, R small 8, VC small, P capital, Q small, stroke. The YouTube account link, HTTPS, 2 strokes, youtube.be, stroke, small y, capital N, capital D, capital C, small b, capital X, small z, capital X, small z, small b, 8, question mark, small si is equal 6c hyphen small q small f 6 small p small e small m small p 1 small b capital C capital R 1. Those were the links that I worked on. The summary of the findings. I extracted the video on the same link, and the author of that channel was the video is River News. The second link, the YouTube account link. Was also extracted. On the YouTube media, there was a diff media which had 132 likes, 11,000 views, which had only past 3 days. The comments, which was on the metadata, were 22 comments, which I did not screenshot all, but some few.
How many views?
3.
How many views?
There were 22 comments, 11,000 views. Among the metadata which I've stated above, there were some comments from few members, which I screenshotted and produced and wrote it and put in this report. One for the person named at Melvin Mutua. Another one was at Amir Musa 7015. Another one was at user PN1 DP 2EE 9X, which they had some comments there. The first one said, hiyo nayo Nuru piga Ruto, risasi utawekwa ndani sikudanganyi. The second one, wajinga waliuawa, nyinyi sijui mbona mko hai. And the third one was, tafadhali Nuru, ungeshughulikia jamii yako kwanza ndio ujue kutokana viongozi, chunga matamshi yako kijana. Those was the sum of the metadata that were received on that social media. Tunaona.
Would you like for the court to look at the request letter and the report as part of the evidence before this court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, prosecution wishes to mark and produce the request letter as MFI-10A and produce it as prosecution exhibit 10A. The report dated 11 June 2024, marked as MFI-10B, be produced as prosecution exhibit 10B.
Your Honor, with your kind permission, and perhaps before the same is produced, we would like to have those links actually open, because from our end, when we tried to open the said links, we hit a dead end, so that, Your Honor, we might be producing things that really don't exist. I can see the prosecutor is showing me the CDs, then we would like to have them so that we know what exactly is being produced by the prosecution.
Your Honor, to this end, we have only produced the documentary evidence. We are waiting for a machine to enable us to open the discs, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. So if the prosecution's position is that the discs is what is contained in the link, I don't know if that's in assertion, that what is in the disc has been obtained from those two links because they are not existent. You cannot open them.
I do not hold on that. The prosecution cannot argue that they have only provided the link. We want to refer the learned state to the case of R versus Day, where Darling J describes what a document is. And it entails what we produced and what we intend to produce. And therefore, it must meet the minimum threshold set in R versus Day. I will supply that particular authority if the state so wishes.
Unless I go to the office, we normally preserve and ask for a request to pull down or preserve for us in case we need it, so that it's, because it's an inflammatory message, we do not allow it to circulate more.
If that's a confirmation that it is non-existent, then that's what you're saying.
It is actually, we preserve the original through them. We write to our reservation, go, ask them, they'll retrieve it. Then you come and retrieve it if you want.
The prosecution was aware that they were coming to argue this matter, to present evidence. We're expecting that for the sake of this hearing, it is activated.
Your Honor, as of yesterday, I only arrived at the country yesterday. I was not around. If I could be given more time, I could have done everything for you to access.
Then, Your Honor, I don't think we can refer to the links. We can't refer to them. Your Honor, up until they provide those said links, then let it be struck out. They cannot refer to something that the court cannot see. Those are strangers to the court at the end of the day.
But just put it as a formal application, Your Honor, that the links be struck out for being non-existent, imaginary, and a creature of the state. And that the same has not been opened to prove its authenticity, and that it does not meet the minimum threshold for the admissibility of documentary evidence in this matter.
To proceed, you can make that application as a matter of submission.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very well, Your Honor.
Your Honor, the second report. Which was only done and the video posted, saved on a CD, had the following TikTok links: https /vm.tiktok https vm.tiktok.com /zm, capital ZM, small r, capital NS, small o, capital D, small f, small s, stroke, second link, https dot dot stroke stroke vm dot tiktok dot com stroke capital Z, capital M, small r, capital N, capital A, small j, small r, 7, capital L, stroke. The third link,
So I hate to do this, but can you please tell us where those links are in his report?
this is the second report. We have 2 reports.
We have not been furnished with this one, so we.
Okay, they are almost the same, no problem.
This name like is the same document.
They are the same document, same link.
Those links are,
So-
not here. Just show us a page, give us a page.
Report dated 14th June 2024. You supplied 2 reports. June 2024.
It's not there.
Mine is one that is supported by a certificate dated the 11th day of June.
So that is the exact thing.
So the 11th of June.
Confirms on the inventory.
Yeah, we can have it confirmed.
Your Honor, the I was just checked out. I'm sorry, Your Honor, from the inventory side by my learned colleague Shadrach on 3rd July 2024. The said report is not there, Your Honor. Your Honor, will proceed with the one that had been marked and produced. Dated 11th June 2024, Your Honor. However, we only have one challenge now. We are done with the report, but the investigating officer is working on converting the contents of the disk into a flash so that we are able to view the same. Perhaps the court can give directions on that.
How long will it take?
Your Honor, yes, I communicate with him. But I believe the witness so far is done with the report. We're only left with the contents of the disk.
Most of them. That's why I'm already I think better is only they're not admissible. Go and read R versus day. We're darling J. Day. Darling J. Yes, day with T. A document may be in print. It may be on a piece of paper, or even recorded. Those are the same as in the same HTML. I use that one to teach so I can't forget the key. It can be on a school, but it has to meet the
Ukiangalia Bwana Ruto, sijui ni nani anakuanga pilot wa Ruto, mimi sijui.
Usiku wa manane. Hata napiga hii simu. Hata napiga simu nyingi hapa.
Sasa Justina ananiombea usiku na mchana. Nataka nimshukuru.
Guys, coming back in a minute. Just a minute. Stay online. Coming back in a minute.
The original content is still saved in the CD. The content was saved in CD marked DCI /IB /SCU /1 /20A volume decimal VII /21. Your Honor, I wish to play the content saved in the CDs.
furnish us with the very same CD so that we are able to verify that what they have converted the flash is what was originally in the CD. So, and we really sympathize with the state in this day and age CDs, but we will try and look for a gadget that will be able to
You might take
Yes, sir.
You now wish to mark this as MFI11.
Naona the first video is from Diff Media.
Hata mama yako akikufa lazima utakula. Mimi nakubaliana na ile hali niko nayo saa hii, mtoto wangu ni mgonjwa, but mimi najua Mungu wako atanisaidia. Nataka nishukuru Babu Owino, mbunge wa hapa, gavana wa 2027 hii Nairobi. Nataka nishukuru Justina Shokau. Nataka nishukuru Makarena kwa kusimama na mimi jana. Dawa ilikuwa imebadilishwa 15,000 na akanibaia jana, tulikuwa na yeye Kenyatta. Nataka nishukuru hao viongozi kwa kusimama na mimi. Na ninajua wakati wanasimama na mimi mtoto atapokea uponyaji. Kwa sababu anaposimama na mimi hivyo, the same time wananiombea. So far Justina ananiombea usiku na mchana. Nataka nimshukuru. Na yeye anaweza kuwa bishop katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. Sababu maombi yake nimeona improve kwa mtoto. So nataka niseme hivi. Na sitaongea sana. Nataka niseme hivi. Mambo ya Mount Kenya. Jana niliona walimiti baba. Na nikawa na uchungu kidogo. Na pia nikajihurumia, nikasema kumbe Raila Odinga ako na roho ya utu. Unaweza mtusi leo na kesho kule na yeye kwa sahani. Nikikumbuka venye watu wa Mount Kenya walifanya Raila Odinga, nikikumbuka venye watu wa Mount Kenya wamefanya Raila Odinga, hadi saa hii wameona Raila Odinga ndio the best anaweza unganisha Mount Kenya. Nashangaa sana. Nashangaa kumbe Raila Odinga ni simba hii Kenya. Raila Odinga alikuwa amesema mambo ya one man, one shillings, one vote, one shillings. Wakakataa. Walikataa wakapinga. Sasa hiyo wamesharealize Raila Odinga alikuwa anaongea nini. Watu baba, sisi hatuwezi kukulipa. Baba, Raila Odinga, baba wa taifa, baba wa nchi, baba wa Afrika, baba wa East Africa, baba Raila Odinga. Ile kitu naweza kuambia, Mungu ndiye ako na bahasha yako. Umesaidia Kenya vya kutosha. Umesaidia watu wa Mount Kenya vya kutosha, lakini hawakuona. Nataka nishukuru Uhuru Kenyatta kwa kuambia watu wa Mount Kenya, msijaribu. Nema. Wakasema wewe na mzee muende nyumbani. Sasa hiyo wanapitia. Uhuru usiongee. Hao watu wanatudanganya, Gachagua na Ruto atu wamekosana, ndio tusahau wapitishe finance bill ya 22%. Hatutakubali. Hatutakubali. Hiyo ikipita tutakunia state house maku mingi. Mtatuua. Hiyo mambo ya finance bill tunakataa. Mwisho. Nataka niambie Rigathi Gachagua, wewe uko sawa kwa sababu Ruto alisumbuanga Uhuru Kenyatta. Wewe pia msumbue. Sumbua yeye kabisa. Na Ruto akileta mchezo Gachagua, ulikuwa dio. Na unajua kazi ya dio ni nini? Unajua kurusha bunduki. Chukua pisi yote kwa mfuko. Time yeye. Piga risasi. Fadhali ukajua hiyo kitu. Hatuwezi kuwa na rais mwenye anatembea tu ardhi. Kila wakati ametembea. Kila wakati anatembea. Kila wakati anatembea. Bwana, enough is enough. Mimi najua mtaongea sana. Ati mtoto ni mgonjwa na naongea. Hata mama yako akikufa, lazima utakula. Hata mtoto wangu akigonjeka, haitanizuia kutetea Wakenya. Niko hapa kwa niaba ya Wakenya. Na ninaongea kwa niaba ya Kenya. Naongea kwa niaba ya maisha ya kawaida ya mtu. Nataka kutoa order. Kuna nyumba pale Riverbank. Ati huyo jamaa kona pesa sana. Ameenda kwa court. Hiyo nyumba isiangushwe. Nataka kutoa order. Hiyo nyumba ianguke chini haraka. Haraka iwezekanavyo. Uwezi angusha manyumba za watu ati kwa sababu wewe umejenga ghorofa 5 juu. Ati wewe ni soja Mkalenjin. Hiyo nyumba iangushwe haraka. Order from above. Order from Jacaranda. Hiyo nyumba ianguke haraka sana. Wenye Ruto aliamua kuangusha watu manyumba. Hata hiyo ya Mkale ianguke chini. Hatuwezi kubali hiyo nyumba kukaa hapo. Hatuwezi. Hata kona from next week ikuwe chini. Mara moja. Order from above. Hiyo nyumba iko na deal hapo. Order kutoka president wa bunge la mwananchi Jacaranda. Tumesema tukiwa na Jao kama president wa Jacaranda, hiyo nyumba ianguke chini. Isipoanguka wiki moja ikiisha, tutaangusha. Tutaangusha. Upende msipende. Hata na mama watu wote watakusanya na tutakuja tukiletea kule. Na tuangushe hiyo nyumba. Hata kama ni soja, wewe ni Mkalenjin, wewe sijui Chemoge. Utatuona lazima ianguke. Lazima ianguke. Nataka niambie Sakaja, hata kama umepita kwa UDA, uweze kuwa gavana wa 2027 hapa Nairobi. Hiyo haiwezekani. Hiyo ni ndoto. Hiyo mambo ya ngwekse. Enda ufanyie kwa nyumba yako ngwekse. Hapa Nairobi hatutaki mambo ya ngwekse. Saida inanuka. Kila mahali inanuka. Wewe uko tu pale ngwekse. Uko tu TikTok tap. Na kupatia watoto rasta. Kusanya takataka hawakujui. Ati hakuna malori. Mtaa inanuka. Sasa wanakusanya nini? Tunataka tuambie Babu Owino, mbunge wa hapa 2027, vijana wote tuko nyuma yako. Wewe ndio gavana wa hapa. Kama Babu Owino ni kijana mdogo na ako tu na MP kiti kidogo, lakini ukimpigia simu hata saa 8 ya usiku anachukua simu. Anajua kupanga kazi. Na anajua kupanga kazi. Anapanga. Angalia wale wamama wanatembea na Babu Owino. Wote ni wanono. Angalia wote wamekoma. Babu Owino mpaka anaitikia mama wewe. Na ni mbunge. Tunataka Babu Owino akuje gavana. Ndio sisi tutanona. Wewe Sakaja, jipange kwenda nyumbani. Nyumbani asubuhi. Mapema utakuwa umeenda nyumbani. Hiyo mambo ya ngwekse. Mapema. So, mimi nataka nishukuru kwa hayo mambo ya Mount Kenya, mjipange huko. Raila Odinga namalizia kwa ujumbe. Raila Odinga. Akwambo Raila. Naambia baba Raila Amolo Odinga ya kwamba tunajua Ruto amekwenda kwa mfuko ili atufinye. Tunajua hii mambo AU ungewachana nayo. AU haiwezi tusaidia sisi. Rudi kwa kiwanja. Nasaidia ma president. Hiyo AU inasaidia ma president. Baba, jiuzulu kwa hiyo kiti. Tunakutaka kwa ballot 2027. Tunataka kukomboa Kenya. Ruto ameenda Amerika na 200 billion. Anasema rafiki yake alimlipia 10 million. Kwa sisi ni watoto. Sisi ni watoto. Kumbe Chebukati pia alikuwa anapikia. Ona hivi. Sisi si watoto. Wewe tumia 200 million na unatuambia trafiki yako amekulipia 10 million. Ani Ruto sisi ni watoto. Ruto sisi ni watoto. Alafu sema anasema mimi nataka niambie Ruto na niambie Wakenya na niambie Kalonzo, Eugene Wamalwa, Wajakoya, Oparanya, Ali Hassan Joho, shikaneni mfanye maandamano. Ile kazi Raila alikuwa anafanya amewachia nyinyi. Kalonzo, Eugene Wamalwa, Wajakoya, Oparanya, Ali Hassan Joho. Kwa nini Abdul Somar? Kwa nini mwezi wa Baledi maandamano? Sibarani, mko wapi? Mko wapi? Ama mlikuwa mnatangia tu baba kwa mgongo? Msipofanya maandamano, tutajua mlikuwa mnatangia Raila Odinga. Na hivyo ndio Wakenya wanajua. Na tunaomba Raila Kalonzo, kama unataka kuwa president wa 2027, kuja kwa barabara, upigwe tear gas. Tunaomba Raila anguke, arudi Kenya. Arudi Kenya. Hata pia mimi nakuunga mkono. Tunaomba yule mama achukue hiyo kiti. Raila tunamtaka 2027. Raila tutaki Raila nje. Na mimi nataka niambie yule mjinga wa South Africa. Anajua anaitwa Malema. Malema. I want to talk to Malema in South Africa. Malema is you are very stupid, Malema. And you are very confusion. Innocent idiot. Innocent idiot. One pump. Pathetic brain. Pathetic brain. Malema.
You know that's the first video. I'd like to play the second video.
Nataka niambie Rigathi Gachagua, wao huko sawa, kwa sababu Ruto alisumbuanga Uhuru Kenyatta, wewe pia msumbue. Sumbua yeye kabisa. Na Ruto akileta mchezo Gachagua, ulikuwa dio. Na unajua kazi ya dio ni nini? Unajua kurusha bunduki. Chukua pisi yote kwa mfuko. Naibu yeye. Video ecstasy. Ndio dukanio hiyo kitu. Hatuwezi kuwa na rais mwenye anatembea tu ardhini. Kila wakati ametembea. Kila wakati anatembea. Kila wakati anatembea. Bwana, enough is enough.
Your Honor, perhaps the witness could disclose the source of the alleged source of the second video. You informed us the first one is from the Beef Media. The second one?
From Riba News.
Riba News.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your Honor, I believe the witness is done playing the videos. We'd like to produce the disc marked as MFI 13 as sorry, Your Honor, marked as MFI 11 as prosecution exhibit 11. Your Honor, I believe that is all from this witness. I wish to hand over the witness to the defense. Your Honor, off record, the defense to humbly consider that the state has not taken a very extensive.
Yes, you will be coming up. And then the witness some water, please, to refresh.
cross-examine?
Yes.
We can agree that we don't repeat ourselves?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have the honor and privilege of going first. Your Honor, perhaps at the outset, I would like to indicate for the purpose of the court record, we will be objecting to the production of the CVs. And Your Honor can guide us. Perhaps that should come at the very tail end of our submissions, or we can lay sufficient ground as to why we find that the production of those CDs has not met the threshold that is set under the Evidence Act.
I believe those are issues that can come out in cross-examination.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We are most grateful. Mr. Juma Mwajirani.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you.
Now, my name is Wamboi. I'm Shadrach Wamboi. I am one of the counsel representing Mr. Nuru Okanga. Thank you. Now, my duty is to ask you very few questions. Your responsibility is to restrict yourself and to respond either by saying yes, no, you recall, you don't recall, you find it incorrect, and no further. In the event that you fall into the temptation of giving us more flesh, I will ask that you wait for an opportunity when your counsel will ask you questions.
No problem.
Have you understood the rules of the court?
I've understood.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Mwajirani,
Yes, sir.
you will please make it known to the Honorable Court that you have extensive experience of the use of computer.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Or should we tell the court you have this experience?
I've been in experience in digital forensic for more than 3-4 years.
3-4 years.
Yeah,
You pride yourself in having a diploma in the same?
I'm proud.
Thank you. And perhaps you have plans of advancing from a diploma to a certificate or a degree level, isn't it?
Maybe something else. I'm planning to do cybersecurity as general.
Thank you.
Not IT.
But as we speak now, you have diploma
In IT.
in IT, isn't it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, do you understand first the charge that Mr. Nuru Okanga is facing before this honorable court?
I don't understand.
You don't understand.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please go to your report. Please go to your report. I am making reference, Your Honor, to the report, the one we made reference to of the 11th day of June 2024. You have the cyber investigations report.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that authored by yourself?
It is.
Thank you. Now, in that report, you inform the court in your introduction that, please just read it out for the benefit of the mind of the court and those who are following.
Introduction.
Yes, the introduction. What are you introducing in your report?
On the 11th June 2023.
Yes.
As I understood, the National Case Act, CC was requested to provide information by letter, reference DCI, public IB, public SCU, public 1, public 1, public 20A, public volume decimal, Victor 2, V11, stroke 21, on the below TikTok and YouTube account, alleged to be involved in the case publication of false information contrary to Section 23, and cyber harassment contrary to Section 27 of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act number 5 of 2018, where the above YouTube and TikTok accounts have been featured.
Thank you. So from your introductory remarks in your report, you are conscious that the accused before the Honorable Court is being investigated under what? Or for violation of what? Inform the Honorable Court. Violation of what?
Violation, it is involved in a case of publication of false information.
Yes.
Contrary to Section 23.
Thank you. So you are conscious of the offense that the accused person is facing before this honorable court, isn't it?
I am not conscious.
Yes.
I'm being directed by this letter.
Yes.
I do my report as per the letter.
Yes.
The letter has stated well, the DCI, the Director of Criminal Investigation, pursuant to its mandate, is conducting investigation on alleged offense of publication of false information contrary to Section 23 and cyber harassment contrary to Section 27 of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act number 5 of 2018. So I'm being directed by this to do my report.
Mojirani, I want us to restrict ourselves. I have not made reference to that. I am making reference to a report that you have authored. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
That of the 11th day of June 2024.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. So in your introduction of that report,
Yes, Your Honor.
which you have authored,
Yes, Your Honor.
you acknowledge
Yes, Your
that
Honor.
the suspect before the Honorable Court
Yes, Your Honor.
is under suspicion
Yes, Your Honor.
of violating the is it the Computer Misuse,
Yes, Your
the
Honor.
Cybercrimes Act, isn't it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Section 23.
Yes, Your Honor.
That is your information, isn't it?
Information as per the, not my information.
Don't fall into that temptation.
Request
I told
letter.
you- No, I told you don't fall into that temptation of being generous with information. You will say it when it comes to her time. I have limited time, I want us to move very quickly.
Okay.
So, Mr. Mwajirani,
Yes.
in that report, you are aware of the crime that he faces, isn't it?
I'm not aware.
Oh, you are not aware.
Yes.
Oh, this is a position you take distant from the introductory remarks in your letter, isn't it?
I'm not aware of the charges is being charged.
Listen to my question. From the report,
Yes.
you are aware of the accusations you have been informed to help in investigating, isn't it?
I am not aware.
What have you read in your report, the introductory part?
I've read the introductory part as by my report, but
Yes.
I'm not aware of the charge that is being charged before this court.
I am speaking of the suspicion when you are writing that report. And
Yes.
I just want to go back to the time you were writing that report.
Yes.
When you're writing that report, you are aware of the suspicion that Mr. Nuru Okanga was facing. Is that correct?
I was not aware. I'm not aware.
Or you are not aware?
Yes.
Thank you. So, do you wish to distance yourself from the report you have authored and presented before the Honorable
I do not wish to distance myself from this report.
Thank you.
Yes.
Now, will you be aware of the consequences that someone charged under Section 23 faces?
Can you kindly repeat?
Will you be aware of the legal ramifications or consequences that Mr. Nuru Okanga faces upon conviction in this matter?
I want to be aware.
You are not aware.
Yeah.
Now, I put it to you, or I just share the information to you, that Mr. Nuru Okanga, upon the reliance by the court on your report and a finding of conviction, Mr. Nuru Okanga stands to be sentenced and convicted to a fine of 5 million shillings or to be sentenced to 10 years imprisonment. You understand that is a very serious ramification, isn't it?
Thank you for informing me. I'm not aware.
Thank you. Now you understand that is a serious legal consequence, isn't it?
Now I understand.
Thank you. Now that you understand, let us go to your report. So that we understand, as someone who has or prides himself in having a diploma in matters, computer and cybercrimes investigations,
Yes, Your Honor.
please inform the court that your report is based on links from TikTok and YouTube. Confirm to the Honorable Court.
I confirm this to the Honorable Court.
Thank you. Now, from your studies and lengthy experience on these matters,
Yes, Your Honor.
as at the time someone is purchasing a computer,
Yes, Your Honor.
ordinarily, does that computer come installed with a TikTok account?
Not really.
Thank you. Thank you. Secondly, does a new computer, does it also come installed with a YouTube account?
A new computer comes pre-installed with any software.
Say yes, no, you
No.
don't know, we move
No.
forward. It doesn't come, it installed, isn't it? Thank you. So let us help the court in understanding under what circumstances a computer would have a TikTok account.
A computer will have a TikTok account after installing and registering in that TikTok account, which is a social media account.
Thank you. So you are informing Your Honor that if I am to open a TikTok account, it must bear at least my names or the names that I desire to be represented as the account owner. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's correct.
Thank you. Let us also elaborate to the mind of the court before we can get into the meat of the matter. On the question about the YouTube account, under what circumstances will you easily access YouTube?
Is it a yes or can I elaborate?
You can elaborate. I have given you the open check.
Okay.
Yes.
YouTube, TikTok, Facebook are all called social media.
Yes.
The social media are under open source. You can get anything you want. You can just get into YouTube. For example, you want to find Majirani. You search it, it will bring for you Majirani. You don't need to go to them for them to give you my details for you to get in. That's why they are called open source.
Open source.
Yeah.
So it presupposes that probably you have a Gmail account.
Not really.
Uh-huh. Explain.
Someone in China may not be having a Gmail account.
Yes.
But he has a YouTube account.
Yes.
So I want to see a video through YouTube in China. I just go into YouTube, search the video, and it will come out. That means it is an open source. I'm repeating as in an open source, meaning it is open to public.
Majirani, I want you to distinguish something, because I think you're not being fair to the court. I want you to help us in distinguishing. Now, for you to access content on YouTube, you don't necessarily need an email or a Gmail account for you to access. Is that correct?
You don't need.
Is that correct?
It's correct.
Thank you. Now, for you to be an account holder with YouTube, are there certain requirements that you're supposed to have for you to have an account with YouTube?
Yes, of course, you have to register with them.
Please just inform the court. You have to register, so probably you will be needing or requiring a Gmail account. Is that correct?
Not, you can be asked for a Gmail account, for your account, any that they need.
Thank you, thank you. You are of very, value. You are of value to the honorable court. Now, we now turn to the contents of your report. The contents of your report, at least from Your Honor, I am making reference to the certificate as produced by Mr. Juma Mwajirani, signed, one that is signed and dated the 11th day of June 2024. You have the report? You have the certificate?
I have.
Thank you. Now, from your certificate, let us go to paragraph 4. From your certificate, paragraph 4,
Yes.
have you been able to inform the Honorable Court the TikTok account that you used to access this information? Have you been able to inform the Honorable Court the TikTok account, because you have informed the court that you cannot access TikTok without necessarily having an account? Is that correct?
You cannot access a single person TikTok account, but you can access TikTok as general. Two things.
You
have to elaborate.
you need to have a TikTok account for you to access
For you to
TikTok.
post, not for you to access.
Yes.
For you to post,
Yes.
you need to have a TikTok account, but accessing anyone can access a TikTok account.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So was this information contained in the computer? Was it stored in the computer as the law so requires?
I do not understand you.
I am asking. You have these links, isn't it?
Yes, Your Honor.
These links, were they stored in the computer?
These links are stored by the TikTok themselves. We
Listen
request
to,
for them.
listen to my question. You answer yes, no, and then we move forward.
No.
Were these links stored in the computer?
No.
It was not stored in the computer, isn't it? Thank you. You mentioned to the Honorable Court that they were posted by we have two people who have posted, isn't it? We have DIF Media
If media?
that posted. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Do you have an account of the person that posted these things on that TikTok
I do
from
not have.
DIF Media?
I do not have.
Thank you. Secondly, we have Riba News.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have accounts of individuals that took the videos and posted them on that Riba News?
I don't have.
You don't have. Thank you. From the DIF Media, Your Honor, making reference to the report at page 5. Page 5, there were 22 comments that were made after the alleged publication by DIF Media. Is that correct?
It's correct.
So how many have you shared with the Honorable Court?
I've only shared 3.
3. Why did you choose for the court what to share and what not to share out of the 22 comments?
I did not choose for the court.
Yes.
22 comments, you've seen here 3, meaning the other 22 are secured. You can't take them. That's why we only have 3 here.
I mean, you are an investigator.
Yes. I'm not an investigator, I'm an analyst.
You are an analyst. Thank you, even better. An analyst that helps in the investigations, isn't it?
Not really. Analyst analyzes evidence and give out to the jury.
But you are here to help us in uncovering what you discovered in the investigations, isn't it?
What I analyzed, not
Yes.
what I discovered in the investigation.
What you
Two
analyzed, thank you.
Yeah.
Your analysis is supposed to help in the investigations done by Mr. Kamau PC. Is that correct?
Just to add on his evidence.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that you can find our client guilty of the offenses that you have preferred.
I do not find anyone guilty unless Mr. Kamau
No,
the one doing
no.
that. I only analyze this.
Yes.
Kindly dwell in analyzing, not investigating.
Listen. Don't be, yes, just relax. So what I'm saying is this. Your work is to work in tandem with Mr. Kamau, the investigating officer, so that we can have that person convicted of the charges that have been levied before court, isn't it?
Maybe. Not aware.
Thank you. Thank you. So I am asking the question. As an analyst, someone who has gone deeper into analyzing,
Yeah.
why did you have the difficulty of providing before the Honorable Court the other comments? You've shared only 3. Where are the other 19 comments?
Your Honor, my main aim in this matter was the video, not the comments. That's why I played the whole video before this court.
Yes.
And I said for you, and before this court, the whole video. That was part of my content. I only analyzed the video, but not the metadata in that account.
Thank you. Thank you. So you are saying that you have doctored the evidence presented before the court, isn't it?
I did not, my main opinion, my main aim was not to get all the information.
Is
on
that
the
correct? Not correct.
It's not correct.
Thank you. Now, please read the last line of your summary of findings. Summary of findings in the last one, in the cyber, Your Honor, I'm making reference to page 2 of the cyber investigations report.
The author of the channel used to publish the video is Riba News.
Thank you. So you are informing the Honorable Court that as far as your investigations are concerned, the publisher of the information that has brought us before this Honorable Court is not the accused person. Is that correct?
That is it.
Thank you. Now, let us go to that video. I want us to very quickly look at what we are finding very uncomfortable here. What the state is finding uncomfortable. My client is accused of publishing false information. Are you aware of that?
I'm not aware.
You are not aware of that, isn't it? But my client, for your information, is accused of publishing false information. From the video you have shared before the Honorable Court.
Yes, Your Honor.
Assuming that evidence to be correct and not have been doctored because the authors have not been presented before court.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, is it factually correct that the Honorable, the Excellency Rigathi Gachagua is a former district officer?
I'm not aware.
Oh, you are not aware.
Yeah.
Thank you. Are you aware that Rigathi Gachagua is the former Deputy President of the Republic of
I'm
Kenya?
not aware.
You also not aware. You probably are also, you also not aware that the President of the Republic of Kenya is Dr. William Samoei Ruto.
You told me, I think that I accept you. But you are now telling me.
No, are you aware?
I'm not aware. I only concentrate with what I need to do.
Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. You do not know who the president of this country is. Thank you. Perhaps, do you know the current deputy president of the Republic of Kenya?
Unless you tell me.
No, you are not the one asking questions.
I'm not aware.
You are not aware. Thank you. Thank you. So, do you know, do you have some little knowledge on the workings of a gun?
Nothing so?
A gun.
Unless you tell me.
Have you ever seen a gun?
No.
You've never seen a gun?
I only concentrate with analysis. So I don't believe.
No problem. No, not to worry. Not to worry. It's fine. You know, you are revealing yourself to the court.
Yes.
The purpose of this process is so that you also reveal yourself. So you have informed the Honorable Court you have never seen a gun.
I've not said that, but I only concentrate. I don't know what more about.
Listen to my question. Don't
unless on the streets.
Have you ever seen a gun?
On the streets.
Yes, no,
yes.
Not on the streets. I've not asked you where.
Yes, on the streets.
Have you ever seen a gun?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Do you know the operations, or do you know how to operate a gun? You're not aware. From your little understanding of what you have seen of a gun, every person that is shot must it necessarily turn out dead.
I don't deal with guns. I don't know.
Listen to my question. Listen to my question. You know, I'm asking you a question, you just respond to it. Yeah. This is cross-exam, isn't it? Yes. So I'm asking you a very straightforward question, one that will be of very general knowledge to you.
Yeah.
Every person shot with a gun, do they end up dead?
Not really.
Not really. Thank you. So, Mr. Mwajirani, Mr. Mwajirani,
Yes, Your Honor.
now, from your summary findings, this I'm at the very tail end of my submissions, Your Honor, my questions. At page 2, Your Honor, the cyber investigations report, you make summary comments of your findings.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please inform the Honorable Court what your summary is. Just read out the first line of what your summary is.
The inflammatory video was published.
Then, read out loud.
The inflammatory video was published on June 10, 2024.
Thank you. So, what is inflammatory? So that we do not end up losing sight of what you meant. Number one, you don't know how a gun works. Number two, you don't know who the deputy president, former deputy president was, isn't it? You also don't know the current president. So what did you find inflammatory in the video that has been played out before the Honorable Court?
Thank you for asking that generally. I only did this because of the memo that was brought before me.
Listen to my question.
That's the reason there is an inflammatory in this report.
Listen, you are making, the word inflammatory is an adjective, isn't it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Meant to describe the contents of the video. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So what in the content of the video that you have played before the Honorable Court do you find inflammatory?
Yes, of course.
What do you find inflammatory? Tell the court so that we can now go back to questions.
Unless I play the video as I analyze it through the...
Objection, Your Honor. My client is just an analyst, and he does not interpret the content of the videos he recovered.
Your Honor, perhaps he can just expand the use of that adjective to define or describe the video, and I will take my rest. If he concedes to having it expunged from the record, because it is his report. I am actually asking him questions based on his authored report. Would you like to abandon the use of the word inflammatory in your report so that I take my seat?
Yes, I'd like to. Not really abandoning. I don't like to abandon it.
So, so then explain to us what is this that you are saying inflammatory? Because you have not, you don't have a grasp of what is happening in this country. You don't even know your leaders. So we want to understand what inflammatory is.
Okay. Let me go through this video. As I was analyzing, we only analyze the content.
Yes.
So as per my content,
Nataka niambie katika
we
shauri.
can start from this one.
Wewe uko
This
sawa.
man is telling
Kwa
another
sababu
person.
Ruto
Oh my
alizungumza
God,
Uhuru
no.
Kenyatta. Wapi
He's telling him
akusumbue?
that there is someone who is
Sumua yeye
deciding.
kabisa.
Yes.
Na Ruto akileta mchezo kashakwa. Ulikuwa dinyo.
So he's telling him that he is one
Unajua
that
kazi ya
he
dinyo
knows.
ni nini?
He's telling him that
Unajua
he
kuruja
knows
bunduki.
what the Dios work is.
Chukua pisi weka kwa mfuko.
He's telling him to take the pistol and put it in the pocket. Then after that, go and hit him. That's all what I analyze. According to what he said, this man in the video, whom I don't know who he is. Yeah.
Bwana, enough is enough.
You recall, sir, Mr. Juma, you said you do not know the workings of a gun, isn't it? Is that correct? You mentioned earlier on.
I don't know.
This is the court, you have taken oath, you are giving evidence. So I asked you the question first,
Yes.
before I got to that question.
Yeah.
I will repeat the question so that you can clarify and make the court understand.
Yes, sir.
Now, as opposed to before, do you understand the workings of a gun?
You are not dealing with the working of a gun. That's why I've told you I do not understand. I only deal with analysis of these things. After analyzing, I give you as the report as per what is being said.
That is, from your understanding of the content, you have described the video as inflammatory, isn't it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, that is why I want us to understand, why of all adjectives did you use inflammatory? Because there are so many, isn't it?
Yes, of course, Your Honor.
Yes. So what was your intention as you are authoring this report? So that I can sit down and surrender the floor to my colleagues to ask you questions.
I wish to get
These ones are worse than myself.
I wish to finish with my report.
Yes.
As you can see, the request itself, it stated,
The report?
the request itself
Mhm.
requested was it.
No, just let us stick to your report. Don't play around with the other documents.
I do dwell with this.
You will be asked to
Report.
clarify.
Yeah.
My sister here, I studied with her. She's very good at what she does. So she's going to ask you questions to clarify. So just answer my question
Okay.
with regards to your report,
Yes.
which you signed and dated, isn't it?
Yes.
This is your signature, isn't
That's
it?
my signature.
Thank you. Was it authored by someone else for you to sign?
No,
You did it yourself.
I did it.
Thank you. So you described the video.
Yeah.
Which of the video, by the way? Because you have two, and you're making reference to an inflammatory video. So which of the videos were you describing as inflammatory?
As you can see, the
Yes.
one that is the second one with the ribbon news.
Riba News.
This one here.
Yes.
The other one had a general view.
Yes.
But the one which is down, and the second one,
Yes.
is the one that is saying directly, the person telling the other person on what to do to the
Yes.
other person.
Yes. That is why I'm saying the law criminalizes the publication of false information, isn't it?
I don't do much in that.
Yes. No, you're the one who wrote here a publication of false information. You are the one who has written here in your introduction.
Yeah.
You are dealing with a report giving analysis of what you find to have been published that is false information, isn't it?
Your Honor, I can kindly let me make you understand. On
No,
this
don't
date-
make me understand.
Let me make you understand. On this date, I received, this is the case that we received a request letter. That the request letter was telling us to do a specific thing. The specific thing is here.
Please inform the court when you received the request letter. Read it out for the court as is.
On 11th June 2024,
No, read out as is in your report.
2023.
So you are receiving a request of events that happened in the year 2024 for you to give analysis in the year
It was
2023.
an error, and I accept the error of 3 instead of 4. But
Thank
the
you.
request letter
Thank
is here, which year 2024?
Thank you. So you are confirming there is an error in your introduction, isn't it?
In the year, exactly.
Thank you. Again, are you confirming that the use of inflammatory in the description of your videos has been done so erroneously?
No, not really.
Not really.
Yeah.
Then explain to the court. Having not given an analysis, you do not understand the former Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, isn't it?
I don't understand.
You don't know him. Thank you. You do not know that at some point, the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, was a DO within the Republic of Kenya, isn't it? You don't know. Thank you. You also don't know the President of the Republic of Kenya.
In this matter, we are not dealing with president. I'm dealing
Listen,
with
my
what is
question.
here. Why are you asking me about president and deputy president?
My question.
Yeah.
Here we ask questions.
Yeah.
Here is not police station.
Yeah.
Here we ask questions. Isn't it? So my question is, having taken you through that, do you, in your view, at least from that background, appreciate that the use of inflammatory video, the use of the word inflammatory, was used improperly?
It was used properly.
Yes?
It was used properly.
It was used properly. Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness. I will rest, then I can surrender you to the others.
Thank you.
Very well, Your Honor, I will use 5 minutes of the court's time to ask the witness a few clarifications. Mr. Witness, my first question is this. You've come to this court as an expert,
Yes,
have you?
Yes, Your Honor.
That means you have some expertise, do you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then, Mr. Witness, are you registered with any accredited body as speaks to your expertise?
Yes, Your Honor.
Which body, Mr. Witness?
Saka.
Mr. Witness, in this court, you are the only expert on this matter. So tell the court the full name of the, don't Google it, just tell them, you are a witness, you are an expert, don't Google it. So tell us which body accredited you in full.
It is an international security. I know the last name.
Mr. Witness, I'm an advocate.
Yeah.
I am registered by the Law Society of Kenya, LSK.
Yeah.
And before I get registered, I even know that it ought to register me. You want to tell this court you do not remember the body that has accredited you?
Isaka is the main body. That is its name.
Tell this court the body. Isaka.
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 Yeah.
I don't want to search.
ISA, CA.
Just give me the pen.
ICSA,
ICSA
CA.
CA. So what is this body in full?
IS.
IS
No dots. ISA.
ISA
CA.
CA.
Yeah.
So you want to say this is not an acronym. This is the body that has accredited
It
you.
is not an acronym.
So Isaka.
Yeah.
When were you registered by the so-called Isaka?
In the year 2024.
In the year 2024. What is your membership number of Isaka?
I haven't recalled unless I sent it to the court. I sent through my mail.
That one you can check on the mail. I'll give you opportunity. You do not know the number under which Isaka has accredited you. Are you not calling this court, Mr. Witness?
I'm not calling this court.
Then tell us the registration number under Isaka. If you're not registered, you tell this court you're not registered, not accredited, and we proceed. If you have, tell us the number.
registered before Isaka, and if you want,
Which, no, I don't want. You came as an expert. You came as an
I
expert.
came as an expert, but not presented. I told you I'm from abroad. I only came here last day, and I was supposed
So
to.
you forgot your registration number while traveling?
I don't recall.
Do you have one?
Yeah, I have one, and I'll bring it before the court.
But as at now, you
I
cannot
will not
remember
recall.
it.
I'll bring it
You
before
can't
this call
remember
tomorrow.
it.
I can't remember. I'll bring it to court before this call tomorrow in the morning.
Very well. When you are chosen as an expert witness, have you ever given any evidence as an expert in your life?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you furnish this court with the credentials as speaks to your expertise in terms of registration? You may have forgotten the number of registration under ISACA, but have you given the court the certificate of registration under ISACA?
We haven't been in any court. I haven't been asked. But if I asked, I will be asked. I'll provide.
Be free to use any language, whether Kiswahili
I'll provide
or
if asked.
English, so that we move.
I'll provide if asked by the court.
I was establishing that to know how to deal with you as an expert. Now, have you filed investigation report or an extraction report?
An analyst report.
So you've not filed to this court any extraction report?
I only.
No. If you have not, you've not. Have you filed in this court an extraction report relating to the matter before the court? Yes or no?
Yes.
Where is it? Show us.
The video.
I have asked for an extraction report.
What extraction do you need? If I may start from that point.
Well, let me help you because I'm a teacher. A report is something you write after the extraction. The process that you went through, and that is what we call an extraction report. So the video is not an extraction report. Have you filed any? Yes or no?
No.
No. Very well. So that means that the court may not prove the authenticity of the said video because there is no extraction report filed. True or false?
False.
How then will the court prove?
Here we are dealing with an open source, not a physical SIM card or physical.
I know.
Yeah,
No,
that's
don't
why there is
struggle.
no. That's why there is no extraction report before this court.
So what have you filed?
I will deal
Did you
with
extract the video?
not extracting
No.
the video.
Did you extract the video?
No.
What is it that you have presented to court?
I presented the video that I analyzed and provided it through the YouTube.
So what
I
is the
provided it through the YouTube. I preserved and saved it for the court to use.
now that process of providing through the YouTube and bringing it to court is what we call extraction.
In digital forensic, it's a different thing.
It is not because you are not even registered as you have confirmed. I'm not telling you as an expert as well. It's called extraction.
I'll bring every document that the court needs tomorrow.
Until that time you bring, we are dealing with you as a layman and accept at times when we educate you. So, has it been verified by a certified digital forensic expert? Whatever that is. Has it been verified? Yes or no?
Yes, my
Who has verified? You said yes.
Myself.
Who has verified?
myself.
Do you understand the concept of verification?
Yes.
Can you verify a document you have prepared yourself?
By making it authentic.
To verify, my brother, means someone has done something and I'm confirming if it is true or false. It is what we call a second eye.
No.
Was it verified
No.
by a certified digital forensic expert? For the last question, the last time, yes or no?
No.
Very well. So we cannot tell whether the logs or the API from the TikTok or YouTube as obtained were corroborated. Were they corroborated? Corroboration is you said you are an expert.
That's why I'm asking you, for you to elaborate for me.
To corroborate would mean somebody else has looked at it and is certifying them as the right things. That is what we mean by corroboration. Was this extraction or the processing corroborated? Yes or no?
No.
Do you believe that the person in the said video is one Nuru Okanga?
I do not know Nuru Okanga.
Just say no.
No.
No. How was the video from the professional point of view preserved to avoid tampering with it?
Through the exit tool.
Explain to this court how that tool works.
The exit tool is being used together with the Linux OS. After that, you go into the Microsoft Video Authenticator to look into it. if it has got anything that maybe has been tampered, or it's
Very
an
well.
AI
And
generated.
at every stage there is a footprint, right?
Yeah.
Have you provided any footprint to confirm that it went through those stages for preservation? Yes or no?
No.
Thank you, Your Honor. I now hand you over to the learned counsel, Babu Bowino.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Mr. Juma.
Good afternoon.
My questions are very brief and direct to the point. Just answering yes or no unless explanation is needed. But I want to remind you that the only time that you are allowed to be arrogant in life, there are only 3 conditions. Number 1, if you are a very religious person, then you are allowed to be arrogant because there is nothing anybody can do about it. Number 2, if you are a beautiful lady, which you are not, then you are also allowed to be arrogant because there is nothing anybody can do about it. And lastly, if you are intelligent. Okay? Yeah. So, number 1, you said that you are certified by ISAC.
Yeah.
That you don't know the full, it is an acronym, you don't know the full definition of ISAC. So, ISAC has different key certifications.
Yes.
So which one did you obtain?
Digital forensic.
Digital?
Forensic and cybersecurity.
Number 1, the first certification from ISACA
Yes.
that we have is Certified Information Systems Audit.
Yeah.
Number 2 is Certified Information Security Manager.
Yeah.
Number 3 is Certified in the Governance of Enterprise IT.
Yes.
And lastly, Certification in Risk Information System Control. So the one that you have said is not appearing in any of them.
The cybersecurity.
Okay?
Okay.
Just let's go automatically. So the one you are saying you obtained it from a cyber cafe. Because you're insisting on it. So let's go to your report. Said Juma,
Yeah.
see. Your report, cyber investigation report, at the farthest, at the top end on your right, the right side, the date is 11th June. Sorry, before I come to that. Now the certification for ISACA are those 4. You said that you're certified in the year 2024.
Yeah.
Can you tell us the exact date?
I can remember it was on June 15th. We normally send the request after doing some examination.
Very good, just up to there.
Yeah.
June 15th.
Yeah, around
So
there.
this report that you wrote it while you were not qualified, because the report was written on the date of, on June 11th, right? And so you wrote a report and then you were certified later. Okay? So you were not qualified as at that time, my brother. Then go to that report. So your report is saying at the farthest corner,
Yeah.
here, read the date.
11/06/2024.
Very good. Then read the introduction.
On 11th June 2023.
Very good. Just at that particular point.
Yeah.
On 11th June 2023,
Yeah.
continue reading.
The National Case Act,
Mhm,
CC,
mhm.
was requested to provide information like letter reference, DCI of IB, of the SCU, of 20A, volume decimal V11/22/21 on the below TikTok and YouTube account, alleged to be involved in a case of publication of false information contrary to Section 23 and cyber harassment contrary to Section 27.
Thank you. Up to that point. So this report was printed on the 11th day of June 2024, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then you were given a letter on the 11th day of June 2023. So you must have been a prophet to know that the accused person was going to commit an offense 1 year later, 1 year earlier, before. What can you say about that?
What I can say about this, it's an error on 24.
Thank
That's
you.
why.
Thank you. So you are giving us a report that has errors. So you admit that this report has errors.
Year only, in the year only. That's why here, on top of it, you have explained for me to read. I've read it on 11/06/2024. When I was stating this is
just
an
leave it at
report,
that. Just leave it at that. As an expert, you must have gone through your report, right?
yes, Your Honor.
So you must have known the difference between 2023 and 2024. And even you wrote this in the 2023, you wrote in capital. The numbers are in capital. Clearly. The month is in small letters. So do you admit that your report has errors? Yes or no?
No.
Thank you. But you admit that it was printed in 2024, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the letter that was given, the report indicates that was given in 2023, correct?
The letter is
As at the letter,
2024.
as at this report.
A typo which is done on the date.
Just
on
leave
the
it at
letter.
that. I don't want you to explain yourself. We said that the only time you're allowed to be arrogant. Okay? Are you in any of the three? Yes or no? Okay, let's proceed. So, you described yourself as a digital forensic analyst, correct?
Yeah.
You agree that digital forensics is a specialized science requiring internationally recognized certification, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You are not certified by the International Association of Computer Investigative Specialists. I want you to get that clearly. Are you?
No.
You are not certified by the International Society of Forensic Computer Examiners, correct?
I am.
Do you have the evidence?
Yes, I'm a celebrate. Unless this court tells me to bring the certificate.
Just
I'll bring it
wait.
tomorrow.
It's called what,
Celebrate.
Do you know that it is not pronounced as celebrate?
That's all right.
It is pronounced as celebrate. So you don't even know the pronunciation of what body.
The body does.
Just wait. We said you don't be arrogant. Okay? So it is pronounced as celebrate. Can you repeat that? So, do you have the documents before the court? Because you know, in this court we deal with evidence, what we have. Because otherwise, any other person, you know the governor of Nairobi at least, because you live in Nairobi, right? He got his certification from Teams University, right? Are you following that trajectory?
I'll bring my certificates tomorrow.
Anyway, in a court of law, we needed that to be presented. So as at now, you are not certified. As at now, if you don't have, if those documents are not before a court of law, okay? So, as at now, you are not certified by the International Society of Forensic Computer Examiners.
I am.
I'm coming to the celebrate. Okay. So this one specifically, International Society of Forensic Computer Examiners.
I am not.
You are not.
Yeah.
Then now the one that you are saying, you do not hold any certification from Celebrate or any other recognized forensic tool developer, do we?
I am.
You have. You don't have the document in court?
I do not. I just came out from the country. So I was not prepared.
You slept in China?
No, I came, all my things are on in my job.
What time did you arrive?
It was around late evening.
Yesterday evening.
Yeah.
So you slept at work?
No, I slept at home, so I could not go to work.
You could.
All my things are at work.
All your documents?
Including my laptop.
Home is unsafe.
Yeah, it is unsafe.
Let's proceed. You have never undergone training, and I want you to get this well, undergone training with the National Institute of Standards and Technology. National Institute of Standards and Technology, correct?
Yes, it comes.
I've asked you that. Huh? Good. You have never been accredited by the International Digital Forensic Laboratory Accreditation Board. True?
Yes.
Your digital forensic laboratory has never been accredited under the International Organization of Standardization Standards, correct?
It is.
You have that?
It is. Unless you want it, I'll bring it to you.
You ought to have produced it here, but anyway, you therefore operate without independent global certification of competence. As at now, because you've not presented anything before court, correct?
Correct.
Yes or no? Yes. So therefore, you agree that a forensic analyst without internationally recognized training is limited. If you don't have the international training, therefore, you are limited in the scope of expertise.
You are not limited.
You studied criminology.
Yeah.
Is there a unit called criminal law in criminology? I want us now to...
We're not dealing with
No,
criminology.
this is your area of expertise.
No, I'm dealing with analysis.
But you started, I'm asking before court,
Yeah.
that you studied criminology.
Exactly.
So is there a unit called criminal law?
Yes, of course.
There is, eh?
Yeah.
Is there a unit called the law of evidence?
Yeah.
Very good. Yet you said that you have no knowledge of law at all when you're being asked questions by my senior.
I explain that.
Just, I don't want you to explain. Explanations are where you write statements at the police station or any other place. Now let's proceed. As I finish, Juma,
Yes, Your Honor.
you cannot prove that the accused offered the video, can you?
I can't.
You can't.
Yeah.
Very good. And you cannot prove that the accused uploaded the video.
I can't.
Very good. You cannot prove that the accused had access to the alleged TikTok account.
I can't.
Very good. You cannot prove that the accused had access to the alleged YouTube account.
I can't.
Very good. You cannot prove that the accused used the SIM card at the material time.
I can't.
Very good. You cannot prove that the video is authentic and unaltered, correct?
I can. Somehow, not fully, not 100%.
Now, where are we?
Through the tools that we used.
Mhm. You cannot prove that the device for the accused person was not tampered with before reaching your desk.
There was no device that was brought before me.
Very good. You cannot prove that any data in your report originated from the accused.
I can't.
Very good, because your report is also showing that it comes from River
I'm
News.
only going to...
And without these proofs, you've said you can't. Without these proofs, your report cannot withstand scientific scrutiny. Can it?
The court will decide.
Very good. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
Remember the three.
Governor Council Abna Mangu, PC Juma.
Yes.
You are a police officer by training, true or false?
True.
And part of the training involves training on use of guns, true or false?
True.
So I put it to you that while under oath, you misled this oath that you have no idea on guns.
Whatever you asked me, you did not ask me about my training. I could have told you. You only asked me about guns. I was dealing with analysis, not guns.
But you are trained.
Yeah, I'm trained.
Good. Good. So you understand about guns. Now, you have informed this court that you got your certification with ICASA on 15th. Isaka.
I'll bring it for confirmation.
I have no problem with that. But you got it on 15th of June 2024. I put it to you that the point of making this report, you are not certified by Isaka, true or false?
True.
I put it to you then that having not been qualified at the time of making this report,
Yes.
then this honorable court should not rely on this report.
How many certifications have been gained?
I'm saying this honorable court.
I told this court that I'm certified celebrate analyst.
Yes.
So you cannot rule out everything.
Yes.
Since I got my certification
Yes.
on, if not December
Yes.
2023,
Yes.
of celebrate certified analyst.
Yes. Which is good of you. But at the time of preparing this report, you are not certified by Isaka.
From Isaka. but
So
I
you
had
cannot
one-
rely on Isaka as part of the qualifications at the point of making this report.
asked
True or
me-
false?
You asked me of the certifications. So I had to give you my certifications, but not a single certification.
Very well. In your report, you make reference to a forensic tower at paragraph 5. I analyze using a forensic computer.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kindly explain to this court what is a forensic computer.
It's a forensic tower.
Okay.
Unless I,
Explain, just explain briefly for purposes of our general knowledge.
it's a huge,
Yes.
some sort of, not really a desktop,
Yes.
plus a CPU, but huge enough,
Yes.
very powerful, with some installed applications,
Yes.
together with the tools that we purchase,
Yes.
we commercialize,
Yes.
or it can also do the open source.
Thank you. So what tools, you led me to my next question.
The
So
open-
what tools are installed in that forensic computer that enabled you to prepare this report?
Save.net.
Save.net.
Yes, Your Honor.
So does that tool produce reports?
It only extracts some sort of extract of downloading.
Yes.
Yeah.
So your finding as per the report is that the author of what was published was River News, true or false?
River News in the,
That was your finding. And
and the other one is something. River News.
Yes.
Definitely.
Diff Media and River News.
Yeah.
But you did not find it necessary to include Diff Media in your report. Did you include Diff
I
Media in your
didn't
report?
include, but I included the YouTube channel.
You did not include
I
it
did
in
not
your finding.
include.
Didn't you find it necessary as an expert, Juma?
Yeah.
Yeah? Because we want people who are thorough in their job. Yeah? Because you are being paid by taxpayers' money. Yeah? Didn't you find it necessary then to establish a link between that River News and the accused person while making this report?
At first, I've told you.
Didn't you find it relevant or necessary
I
to
didn't-
establish a link
I didn't
between?
because I was not dealing with a single person. I was only dealing with the TikTok analysis and the YouTube analysis. I was not dealing with a single person.
What do you mean you're not dealing with the
I was only analyzing the YouTube and the TikTok.
That's
not
what I'm
a
asking.
person.
That's okay. So didn't you find it necessary? Because it's your finding that the publisher is River News.
Yeah.
The accused person is facing a serious charge as Shadrach. So didn't you find it necessary?
Is he written there?
Sorry?
In my report. Is he written there in my report?
That's why I'm asking you. Didn't you find it necessary to establish a link between River News and the accused person so that it can be evidentiary?
I couldn't because I'm not an lawyer.
So your report is incomplete.
It is
true or false?
complete.
So it is complete without that link. Thank you.
I'm not an IO.
Oh, it's the IO who was to do it.
It's the work of the IO.
Thank you. Mr. Juma, with the expertise, did you conduct any metadata to link the accused with the video? Your Honor, for purposes of information, so just also display some knowledge. Metadata, Your Honor, is data that provides information about other. Oh, you know it. So, did you conduct any metadata to link the accused to that video? In your report, yes or no?
In this report I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Where
The metadata in this report is the comments here. Those are the metadata in this content.
While being cross-examined by my brother, Wambui, you said that this, you just put, that's why you did not put all the comments. Your thoughts?
52 comments were locked.
Why didn't you put all those comments?
They were locked. I could not access those comments without the court order.
Coming back in a few.
In fact, you informed Mr. Wambui that you even do not wish to rely on these comments because you just put it as part of your
You asked me about metadata. When you asked me about metadata, I go further. And that's why I've done this for you. Because you know about metadata.
Do you know identity theft is a crime under the Cybercrimes Act?
I don't know.
You do not know
I'm
that.
only an analyst.
Do you know that there is a possibility that there was identity theft of the accused person in your report?
I don't know.
You do not know. Yet you want us to take you seriously as an expert. Did you conduct technical metadata?
What is the technical metadata?
This is data that provides
data about data.
on the format and structure. Did you conduct technical metadata?
I like to step to this court.
Yes or no?
No.
Did you conduct business metadata on this information? Did you conduct
What's the
it?
business metadata?
This is one that provides context and meaning to a video. Your Honor, at this point I'm teaching
Can you
Did
kindly
you conduct it?
Can you kindly tell me about the business?
Did you conduct process metadata in your report? Your Honor, this is data that involves data creation and management. Did you conduct it to link the accused person to that video?
Your Honor, I like to say that metadata is the data about data.
Yes.
It is the data that you find within the data, information that you find about another data. For example, in this context here, we are having the video, we are having the response here. Those are the responses that are the metadata in this content. So whatever you're asking me, I don't know what is asking.
So confirm to this court that you have the accused person's phone. You took the accused person's phone for purposes of investigation. Are you aware?
I'm not aware. I'm not the IO.
Also confirm that there was more than one investigator in this case.
I am not I am only an analyst.
Did you prepare this report alone or together with your colleagues in the office?
We prepared some.
You are
three of
helped by
us.
others.
Yeah.
That's okay. There's no problem with that. Did you check whether the device has been infected by malware or altering of logins?
Which device?
The accused person's phone?
It was not brought before me. That's why I only did the open source intelligence.
Did you check whether the accused person's phone has been cloned or duplicated with application?
Your Honor, I'd like to tell this court that there was no physical evidence that was brought before me.
Did you check the security? Did you check the security history of his device?
I did not get his phone.
You cannot rule out. Now as an expert, you cannot rule out. We are now relying on expertise. You cannot rule out that there is a possibility of third-party manipulation of someone's device, true or false, as an expert, generally.
I do not talk about the phone simply because I did not get any physical device.
Is third-party manipulation part of
I
things
don't know
that you
about that.
investigate? Okay. You also cannot rule out that other users could have had access to his device.
I don't know about that.
You also cannot confirm the identity of every person that used that device.
I cannot confirm.
Now finally, the charge sheet. I've heard you're not aware. I have the charge sheet. Kindly read to this court the particulars of the first offense.
I can't read the charge sheet. Your
I'm
Honor.
the one, you are my witness. I'm asking the question. You do not choose what to do.
I'm a prosecution witness, but not a defense.
This is the charge sheet. That's why I'm asking you. Kindly read what is put. Your Honor, at this point, this witness is.
Your Honor, I'd like you to protect me before this court. I only deal with the analysis of the report and not the charge sheet.
Your Honor, it has to relate, and that is why my brother belabored on the issue of section 23 and 27 of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Act. His report makes reference to those sections. So he cannot just tell us, I only know how to open it. Or if the seriousness is of the level of not knowing the president of Kenya.
This is a serious crime. Republic of Kenya
No,
charge sheet.
just here. On the verse.
Let me tell this court what it is first. It is a Republic of Kenya charge sheet. The police case number 121/186/2024, OB number 079/11/06/2024, dated drafted 19/06/2024. Christian names in full of name Nuru Maloba, surname or father's name Okanga, identity certificate number is 31495338, sex is male, nationality is Kenyan, nationality or tribe is Kenyan and Luo, apparent age is adult. Charge count 1 is publication of false information, contrary to section 23 of Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act number 5 of 2018. Particulars?
Yes, that's what I was
Particulars of the offense. Nuru Maloba Okanga on the diverse dates between 7th and 10th day of June 2024 at a known place within the Republic of Kenya, jointly with others, not before court, knowingly and unknowingly published false, defamatory, and threatening information online while using the TikTok account dubbed River News at River News and Siasa TV -TV, Siasa-TV -KE-backup and YouTube channel, public Google website, account dubbed River News at River News, posted a caption video to wit Nuru Okanga regarding Gachagua piga to risasi, knowing it to be false and well calculated to cause fear, panic among the citizens of Kenya and destroy the reputation of the executive leadership of the Republic of Kenya.
It's fine. So you can confirm to this court that indeed, from the charge sheet, the charge links our client with Ribbons, true or false, from what you've read. You've read. You know English. You've read.
First of all, I do not know your client.
He's Nuru Okanga.
Second, according to this,
yes.
According to this,
Yes.
it's written Nuru Maloba Okanga.
Yes.
Then particulars Nuru Maloba Okanga on the diverse date between
Yes.
7.
While using which TikTok account? While
TikTok
using?
account dubbed River News
Yes.
at River News.
Very well. So you confirm to me that indeed the accusation is that he used the TikTok account River News.
TikTok account and River News.
Yes.
River News was posted on TikTok account.
Yes.
Yeah.
By the accused person.
I don't know who posted. I
And in
cannot
your
say
report,
any
in fact,
accused
you
person.
find that the video was published by Ribbon News.
Yeah, exactly.
And that's why I asked, you did not find it necessary to find linkage between Ribbon News and the accused in your report.
I'm repeating again. I'm
Yes.
not the IO.
Thank you.
I could not trace.
As I
could not
finalize
correct anything.
my final questions, you also have informed this court that the publishers were Diff Media and Ribbon News, true or false?
True.
In the charge sheet, which other accounts have been referred to as
I'm not
publishers?
an IO. I cannot.
We are
say-
reading with you. I'm helping you now. We are reading with you. Which accounts have been mentioned here?
News River
Yes,
News.
River News.
And
Yeah.
Siasa-TV-KE
Yes.
backup.
So we are informing this honorable court that your report did not include investigation into Siasa TV backup. True or false? In fact, it is not in your report. True? It's pretty straightforward. Does your account include Siasa TV backup?
The video includes.
No, is it in your report?
No.
Thank you. No supply, Your Honor.
Juma.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
My name is Nurdin for Nuru. So I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. And I see we have been standing for a while. So the quicker you do this, the better.
Thank you.
Yes, no stories. Stories, finish. Now, Juma,
Yeah.
let us start from the onset, okay? There's a question Counsel Babu Wino asked you. The court didn't record your answer.
Yeah.
That as at the time you wrote this report,
Yeah.
you were not certified as a digital forensic analyst. True or false?
I'm repeating. It's false.
It's false.
Yeah.
So how comes? But you gave us the date of your certification and the
You
date.
only asked for one. Before I started my testimony or giving out the evidence, I state before this court that I am a certified Celebrite operator, as well as I'm a certified Celebrite analyst. That's what I stated. You only came later to ask for other certifications.
Okay. So those are the certifications you have, right?
Yeah.
Which the court ordinarily does not have right now, right? So
If
that
needed, I
means
bring
so
them.
that means we are dealing with opinions now, right? Very well. Let us continue. Juma, where do you currently work?
At KSAT,
KSAT.
yeah.
Please tell the court. I don't know KSAT. It is KSAT.
It is Kenya Cyber and Incident Response Team.
Response team.
Yeah, situated at Communication Authorities of Kenya.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a way we can prove that you work there? No? No. Right now, oh, you produced. What you produce lates. Very well. So you're not an imposter. I was confirming. I might be dealing with another Juma. You know Juma I mean? So tell us, because you're an analyst,
Yeah.
as you say, because when you ask you questions, you say you're an analyst. What is the day-to-day job of an analyst? Or if, for example, that you got this, define what you mean by you analyzed these videos.
It consists of several things.
Yes, that is what I want to know.
One, it depends. Is it a social media
Yes.
or
No,
a digital?
in regard to
format?
this case, for example.
In this matter,
Yes.
we are dealing with the social media.
Okay.
Social media here, you normally use the open source intelligence,
Mm-hmm.
whereby the social media is public, every information there is publicly available.
Mhm.
So we use the exit tools to see if there is any interference in that video.
Mm-hmm.
As I use the HTTPS, it brings me the video.
Okay.
After bringing it, I have to test it and see if it's genuine. Then I do download it through the safe.net and preserve it. Then in that content, we analyze further to see is there any content that is being maybe the IO ones. For example, in this content, the IO was only contented in the message, and that's what we did.
No.
Then we did the video and provided it to him.
You have come to where I wanted you to come.
Yeah,
So you tell us that you received a letter,
yeah, a request letter.
a request letter.
Yeah.
Where is that letter? We don't have this. It's been produced now.
There's another.
I don't know where the other one is. So this is the request letter. Read to the court what that letter was to be.
Request for information IRO, YouTube, TikTok accounts, channels namely Beef Media and River News. Yeah.
Okay. So upon receiving that, where did you get the videos from? Because I won't say links because we don't have links in this court.
I have another link in this court.
Where did you get those videos? Who provided you the videos?
Can you give me the other?
Because we want to know, you analyze videos, who gave you the videos? How are we not sure they were AI videos? Then I'd like the court to know that we don't have this letter, neither whatever is looking for at the end of the day.
So
So once you finish, you make a report, right?
yes, Your
The
Honor.
report that is before court, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
As he rightfully asked you, did you do it alone?
With the assistance of my colleagues.
Why is the same not indicated in the report? So we'd assume that you did the report alone.
Okay, that's
Right.
okay, I did it alone.
So in your report that you have attached, there is something called a certificate under section 65(8) as read in section 106(b)(4) of the Evidence Act, right?
Okay.
That is the certificate, right?
Yeah.
So who prepared the certificate?
I take it, sir.
And then you certify your own certificate. I'd like to understand that. So you certify your own information. You have no supervisor. You can check, you can read. So you certify your own information. So no one can actually check what you have done, right? You're a brilliant man, you're a genius. Finish it. Let's continue. On the issue of extraction, because I've heard you talk about extraction, and you've mentioned tools. And you know I'm a very good student because I was writing them down.
Thank you.
Yes. You talked about safe.net, Microsoft Video, and everything, right? Which there's no report as to the same. Confirm to the court. You have not produced a report as to the tools you used.
I haven't included in my report.
Thank you very much. So, which methodology did you use to analyze these so-called videos?
The safe.net.
Okay. Which you have no report, right?
Which report?
No. You know when you analyze something, you have to write something.
Okay, the safe.net.
Yes. Thank you. So let us move very fast to extraction, because I've heard you say you did extraction.
Not extraction.
Yes.
I did analysis.
And then after analyzing?
There are two different things, analysis and the extraction.
If I'm not
The
wrong.
extractions, let me elaborate to you. The extractions are being done through the physical devices, physical digital devices. That is the camera, mobile phones, hard drive, drones. That's where we do the extraction. You extract the information, then you do the analysis. But in social media, you only do the analysis.
So you didn't do extraction?
No, you don't do the extraction in social media. We only do extraction on physical digital devices.
Well, you said you did, that is why I brought it up. But if you say you didn't do extraction, very well. We will move on, because I'm not trying to belabor a point. So what is your level of experience? You told us 3 years.
Yeah. In digital forensics.
Digital forensics?
Yeah. In
And
digital forensics.
Very well.
Yeah.
And are you attached? Are you from the DCI?
I am from the DCI.
From the DCI. A quick perusal. Which is a job group, by the way?
Job group F.
Job group F.
Yeah.
What are the qualifications of that job group?
That's not before this. That's not
No, because we want to see your level of expertise. Allow me to address court on the same, because I had the pleasure of actually researching on the same. Do you have a bachelor's degree in a relevant ICT field? Number one. It is yes, no stories. Do you have one?
What is relevant here?
Do you have? Can you answer my
I have
question?
a bachelor's degree.
Your
in
counsel
criminal-
right here. No.
Let me repeat
Listen.
for you to understand.
Listen. We are doing this. You are moving very well.
Thank you.
Why do you want to dance? We're almost done.
Uh-huh.
Do you have a bachelor's degree in a relevant ICT field?
I have a diploma.
My
I
friend,
don't have a degree.
Diploma, degree, BD. How is that
I
relevant?
don't have a degree.
Thank you. Very well. Do you have at least 5 years of experience? You said 3. So what is the answer there?
3?
So what is that? Do you have 5 years of experience? What is the answer?
No.
You told us you have professional certificates, right?
Yeah.
That are not in court. So that those might be rumors or stories.
If the court allows me to bring them, I'll bring them.
Right? Do you have any advanced training in digital forensics?
What's advanced?
From
Can
audio?
you elaborate?
No, let's not go that route, you know.
Because you are asking me things that even
No.
you don't know. What's advanced?
No, listen. Would I ask something I don't know?
Yeah.
You know, if you want to go that line, we will dance, and I
whatever
am
I
not
have
going to
here,
dance today.
I have a digital foundation, digital forensic analysis foundation. I have advanced network security and others.
Which are not in court, right? Confirm the same. Please.
Yeah, I did not bring before this court.
So, would I be wrong to state before this honorable court that you're occupying an office that you don't meet the qualifications?
What are the qualifications?
I have just read them out. That you said no.
What are the qualifications?
I have read them out. It is yes or no.
The qualification
It is yes or no. The question is mine. The answer is no.
Can you repeat?
I do not want stories. You said yes or no.
Can you repeat?
I am not repeating. Yes or no?
No.
Thank you very much. As I conclude, have you illustrated to this court regarding this, the metadata that my friend asked you? you referenced that there were 222 comments, right? And that out of 22 comments, you could only get 4, right? Sorry, 3. 3, right? So what is so special about these 3? Because you gave an answer that was not clear.
Which answer did you get?
I want you to repeat it, because me, I had it.
Because you had the answer.
That is why I'm asking. You say the others were locked, right?
The 22 comments could not open, all of them.
Why?
I don't know. They were secured.
Okay.
Yeah. So I could not get deeper and started reading comments, but what I want is just the metadata. And that's why I took the metadata that was visible to me. I did not want to go into some details or personal details of these people unless I get the court order. So I could not go further.
So you're okay with getting these personal details that are there, but you're not okay with getting the rest?
These are not personal details. These are only response to something, and it is in the open source intelligence. Open source. Facebook, for example, you comment something right now. I'll see if I'm your friend. So the comment doesn't mean that I've gone deeper to your account.
So according to you, that is the reason why you have these 3 comments?
Yeah, this only what could be visible as a comment.
And that is the base of your analysis?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. No further questions.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Connex Moro. I'll be very brief. Please, yes or no? Juma, from your affidavit, could you just tell us the tool you used for this to extract this report?
The exit tool,
Yes.
plus Linux, plus self.net.
The forensic tower tool?
Forensic is like using a machine that is there. You only use machine to display on what you are doing. That's why it's called the forensic tower tool.
Okay.
Yeah.
So could you put it to the court that this forensic tower tool,
Yeah.
in your report is actually 4, but you're saying 2 now,
Yeah.
is a proprietary forensic tool?
Yeah.
It is, yeah?
It's a forensic computer, not a tool.
Okay. Tool, but it is proprietary.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you the developer of this software?
No.
You're not.
No.
Okay. Could you also explain the internal algorithms of this software that you use?
This software here.
The forensic tower tool.
The forensic tower is like this computer. So what we use to analyze is the open source tools. The open source tools, when you Google right now, you'll get them. When you use through the Linux, you'll get the result that you want.
So from your explanation, do you know the error rate
Error rate of?
of the tools that
No.
you're using? You don't know.
No.
You don't know the accuracy rate as well.
No.
So you're just working with a balance of probabilities.
In every tools that is being generated or done by the developer, it always goes through the updation. The updating means that tool is up to date.
So you still say you don't know the error rate?
I don't know.
Okay, that's it. Did you run any validation tests on the software before using it in this case?
Which software?
The one that you used.
The
Did you?
open source tool is, for example, you are using Google. Do you run validation on Google? No.
That is what I'm asking. But
No.
Do you rely on Google to make a report?
I'm just asking you. It's a social. It is called
It is a
open
yes or no.
source.
Did you run or you didn't?
No, I didn't run.
Good. That is it. Do you possess any tool validation certificate for the specific version you used?
Which tool?
The tool you used.
It is an open source tool.
Yes, exactly. Do you have any certificate?
It doesn't have any certificate. It's open source.
Okay, so no certificate.
No
Yes or
certificate, no.
Exactly. Are you also aware that these tools can produce false positives? Stop shaking. Do you need some water?
No, I don't need water. I'm okay.
You okay?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So, is it correct or no?
Can you repeat kindly?
Do you know these tools can produce false positives?
Somehow, because it's a man-made tool.
So it is correct. You can produce a false report.
It can.
Okay.
Probability is there.
So from what you're telling me is this report or this extraction you have, there's a possibility that could actually have some errors.
The chances are low because I ran it through the.
No, yes or no?
No.
You said the chances are low. That means there is a possibility.
Possibility, okay. Let me accept.
So it is yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, my honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For purposes of your record, my name is Wanjira Minor. and I shall also be taking the witness through very few questions. Mr. Juma, there's a great many things you have told the court you do not know.
Okay.
And I am hoping that the things I can ask you, very basic things, you at least do. You said you're an ICT expert, correct?
Cyber and digital forensic expert, not an ICT.
Not the point. You're an expert.
Digital forensic expert.
Potato, potato. So how do you identify the owner of any social media account?
The owner
Or the operator of any social media account? If, for example, today I own a TikTok account, how do you identify that I operate that TikTok account?
through collaboration with TikTok.
Very good.
Yeah.
I actually hoped you'd go there. So how do you collaborate with TikTok to find out that I own that specific social
Through the process of the court, we are being given a court order. Then we collaborate with TikTok to find out if there is.
Good. Did you obtain any court order to find out who owns Riba News?
I was only dealing with
No.
YouTube.
No. Please.
I did not, because it was a social media.
I
No.
think I will repeat what Shadrach said. Just resist the urge to be generous with information. I don't need that information. You did not. For the YouTube video you were investigating, did you get any court order to collaborate with YouTube to get the registration details of whoever uploaded whatever details uploaded?
No.
You did not. Did you obtain any protocol logins from TikTok through a court order or anything else
No.
to find? You did not. So you do not have any scientific evidence to find out who owns Riba News, correct?
No.
You do not. That there is the accused person, correct?
I don't know.
This is ridiculous. Your Honor, please compel the witness to answer. That there is the accused person, yes or no?
How will I know? Just tell me
This is
because
ridiculous.
I
That
cannot
there
know.
is the accused person,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Do you know what his name is?
No.
Is he the person you saw in the video?
Yeah.
Your
It's the
Honor,
first
I
time
was
I'm seeing
actually
him in the
coming
video.
to that. So that there is the accused person, we agree, yes? His name is Nuru Okanga, correct? Did you know that?
No. didn't.
Okay, now I will take you to your report.
Okay.
Have you seen that face before?
When I was making this video,
No. What video did you make?
the one that I played before this
So
one,
you have seen that face before.
on the video, yeah.
You have seen that
Yeah.
face, correct? What is the face of the screenshot? On your report, there's a screenshot, right?
Yeah.
Of a face there. What is the name on that screenshot? Because now we're coming to you telling the court half-truths and lies. What is the name there?
Yeah, Gachagua Piga Ruto
No.
Risasi.
The last name there.
Let me read the whole thing. Gachagua Piga Ruto Risasi, Nuru Okanga.
Nuru Okanga.
Yeah.
And Nuru, and I can see you have a colored version here. So Nuru Okanga being the person that said whatever was said, correct?
Yeah.
And you're telling the court you do not know this person, right?
I've met him today.
Okay.
I do not know him.
So we do not know whether Nuru Okanga is the owner of Riba News. You cannot tell.
I cannot tell.
You cannot tell whether Nuru Okanga operates the YouTube account that you are analyzing, correct?
I can't tell.
You cannot tell. You told the court that you have studied criminology.
Yeah.
At what level?
Bachelor's degree.
Excellent. So your expertise even in criminology is greater than your expertise in digital forensics, correct?
Both are okay.
No, answer my question.
Both.
You are more advanced in criminology than you are in digital forensics, yes or no?
I was doing parallel,
Sir,
so I'm doing
please,
both.
just answer my question. More advanced in criminology than you are in digital forensics, correct?
Okay, correct?
Correct. You have seen a charge sheet before, correct?
Yes.
So this is not the first charge sheet you're seeing in your life, correct?
Yes.
And the charge sheet here read what? Just read for me, starting from line 3, on diverse
On the
dates.
diverse date between 7 and 10 day of June 2024, at a known place within the Republic of Kenya, jointly with others, not before court, knowingly and unlawfully, published false, defamatory,
Okay, stop there. Knowingly and unlawfully did what?
published false,
Published, right?
Yeah.
The word is published. Continue.
defamatory,
Uh-huh.
and threatening information online,
Uh-huh.
comma,
Uh-huh.
while using the TikTok account,
So number 1, there was a TikTok account involved.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
dubbed Riba News,
Uh-huh. That.
Riba News,
Uh-huh.
and
Uh-huh.
Siasa, hyphen TV, hyphen KE, hyphen backup,
Uh-huh.
and YouTube channel, public Google.
Okay, so let's leave it there. So in order for Nuru Okanga to be found guilty, he has to have been the one that did what? Read the word.
Published,
Published. Correct?
published, yeah.
Yes. But you cannot tell us. You've told me that you do not know who operates Riba News.
Yeah.
Correct? You have also told the court that you do not know who operates this YouTube account. Correct?
Yeah.
So it cannot be Nuru Okanga, or you cannot at least tie Nuru Okanga to Riba News. Correct?
I'm not an
No,
idea.
no, no.
Kindly
You
ask
have
me-
not been able to establish a
Kindly-
link between Nuru Okanga and Riba News. Yes or no?
Kindly ask me.
Sir,
what
you will
is
not
it.
tell me what to
No.
ask you, please.
I
I am
can't.
asking you a question.
I
You
can't.
cannot. And that will be the end of my cross-examination,
Thank
Your Honor.
Your Honor, we want to hand over the witness back. We thank the witness for being honest.
Your Honor, with your permission, Your Honor, there is, Jeff had 2 questions. I think we had omitted to ask Mr. Kamel. With your permission, you can ask. Thank you.
Indeed, Your Honor, it would be very long because my seniors have asked pretty much all the relevant questions. Mine will be to clarify, and I'll similarly require brief answers.
Okay.
At the very least, we can both agree that you have not presented any evidence before this court to the effect that the 2 accounts belong to Mr. Nuru Okanga. Can we agree to that effect?
Yeah.
Second and last question. At the very least, we can similarly agree that at the time you prepared the report, you do not have the requisite qualifications.
What are the requisite
The
qualifications?
international qualifications that my senior here, Babu, Isaka.
I have. I bring it to court. I have it presented to court.
At the time you prepared the report.
I did not produce the Isaka, but I had, before I started I'm repeating again for the 3rd time. Before I started giving out my evidence,
It is either you
I
did
said
have it or you did
celebrate,
not have it.
I said celebrate, certified operator, as well as celebrate, certified analyst. I think he accepted. Celebrate is an international, but
We're
it's
not talking about
treated-
Celebrate.
It's not, so
We're
I
talking
had
about Isaka.
I had the prerequisite.
Did you have the Isaka qualifications at the time when you prepared the report?
I had a celebrate.
What of the Isaka one?
It was not let out.
So you did not have it.
Yeah, but I had a celebrate.
That would be all.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, this is my pupil. He just got admitted last week. And he's doing very well, Your Honor. Thank you for the
Your Honor, my name is Councillor Ruko, and I had just a few questions to an expert here. Given that he's stating that he has much qualification, my primary qualification is in computer science, besides being an advocate, and I will put you to task to some of the things I've been noting. What is Save.net?
Save.net, it is like a Brave account that you use to download the content in YouTube or TikTok.
You use to download?
Yeah, after analyzing, after putting in the analysis, you download.
You use to download?
Yeah.
Not to manipulate?
Not to manipulate.
But to extract?
Yeah, downloading
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
You talked about XIF.
XIF tool.
What is XIF tool?
XIF tool are the tools that are used to analyze the videos.
XIF tools are tools that are used to analyze. Can you explain analyze?
Analyze it, you can get it, you get the metadata using it composes of a very long process using the liners and the XIF tools to get the image of the video that you tend to use.
Thank you. For the sake of the court, what is XIF in full?
XIF is XIF. That's
in full.
It is an XIF. Not there is no. It's not an initial.
Wow. Thank you very much. I can continue. You also indicated that you had used Axiom.
Yeah, I have.
Do you have qualifications to use Axiom?
I have.
What qualifications do you have to use Axiom?
I'm a certified Axiom operator. What?
Oh,
yeah.
You're a certified Axiom
operator as well as a certified celebrity operator.
Are you in the list of certified Axiom operators in Kenya?
What do you mean by
yes
that?
Or no?
Unless I go and check, I just
yes,
mine you.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You are?
I haven't checked online, but I
No.
am.
Are you or are you not?
I haven't checked online. But I am. I know I am, but I haven't checked online.
How do you become a member? How do you get onto that list?
After doing the examination of the Axiom.
Where did you do the examination?
Through the Axiom people themselves. They trained us.
Who are the Axiom people? Answer me. I am an expert. You have to answer this question.
Axiom is you are being certified after doing an exam, an Axiom certification.
Excuse me. I did not ask that. I asked who are the Axiom people?
Cognitive.
Name the body.
I was given by the cognitive Axiom. I'll bring the certificate tomorrow.
Let me help you. At least you can tie me down to LSK, Law Society of Kenya, yes?
Yes.
At least you can tie someone to the judiciary. You can tie her down to the prosecution.
Yeah.
I can tie you down. You said your qualification is a police officer?
Did you say officer?
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know the rank, but I'm sorry. I did say officer. Thank you. Who are these people?
I was given by the cognitive.
Cognitive?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. The cognitive. Do you know that using Axiom, you manipulate metadata, or it has a possibility of manipulating metadata?
It has.
Do you know that it has a possibility of being engraved with an adware? Yes or no?
Yes.
Do you know that it can be engraved with a malware?
It can.
It can?
Yeah.
Did you confirm when you're using Axiom that it didn't have malware?
In these circumstances, I've told
yes
you.
Or no?
No, since I did not
you
use
did not
in these circumstances.
Don't explain. I don't want explanation.
No.
I understand.
No.
I will explain to the court what
No.
court does not understand.
No.
You did not confirm.
I did not confirm.
You cannot rule out that there was a malware.
I can't rule out.
You can't rule out that there was a malware.
Yeah.
Did you know whether there was or there was a malware?
Since I didn't use, I can't tell.
You did not use Axiom.
I did not use, since I did not get any physical, digital, mobile phone or digital.
Relax. You just, are you aware of what you're saying?
I am aware.
Mr. Expert.
Yeah, I am.
You said your qualification in ICT is in at what level?
I only have a diploma.
Diploma.
Yeah.
Diploma in what?
IT.
Diploma in IT.
Yeah.
Where did you do this beautiful course?
In Mount Kenya University.
Oh, I like that university. They give us experts.
Thank you.
Now, do you know that use of Axiom can give misleading information?
I don't know.
Do you know Axiom produces a report based on what you click, based on what you want, based on your bias as an expert?
No.
You don't know about that?
No.
How do you generate the report?
Are we dealing with the physical so that you can go to Axiom? Are we going to the phones? Or we are dealing with the social media? I am not understanding you. I only did social media. If you want to, we go to the digital forensics, We can get to the digital
The
forensics.
digital. Do you know about something called passing?
No.
Oh, my God. Passing, Your Honor, passing is where an error can occur because a program has been created or has been put to operate in a certain way that gives a specific answer, not really a true answer. An answer which, or a result, which depends on what I am keying in. You have said before this court that you did not check whether the softwares you're using had malware on it. You have also said that you didn't check if they have any hardware.
Yeah.
You have also said that they can manipulate the data. But you don't understand what passing is.
Yeah, I can't understand.
I have no other question, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I think now we're done. We have thank you for the generous time.
You want to start with the questions in the exam? Kindly confirm to this court that apart from the request letter, you did not receive any other device.
I did not receive any device.
Also confirm to this court, having mentioned analysis, downloading, and extraction, kindly confirm to this court what specifically did you do? Did you do extraction at some point, or you just did analysis? Did you download?
I only did the analysis. I got the video. The video is on the screen. You have to download it for you to save. So I saved it to the save.net and saved it to the CD.
At the time that you are requested to analyze that particular data, had the accused person been charged?
No. I even don't know.
At the time that you are requested for that particular analysis, and in the letter of request, was there a name of a person who's being investigated or yet to be charged?
There was none.
There was none.
Yeah.
In your report, did you include any name of any person or a suspect in the data that you were analyzing?
The video that I got, I only screenshotted the video, and that's why you can see it's a video link and a picture for the report. That's the only thing that I did on the report, as it includes around three names: the Gashagwa, the Ruto, and the Nuru.
Thank you. Kindly confirm to this court the specific responsibility that